Hey there, how's it going? I wanted to shoot a quick demo to just kind of show you how this software works. And first, it kind of starts off with generating a lead, right? So whether it's a referral or a lead, they come to your website, they fill out a form, here's the information, they hit submit, and then they're going to be bounced to what we call the two-step page. The two-step page is basically where our first attempt to book a time with them, because that's really what you want. You want them to set that time on their schedule, set it aside so that they're going to show up, right? So they say, man, I can't come today, but I'm going to come Monday at 4:30. Awesome, cool. Select a date, put in their information, and then boom, they're on their way. They're into the app, and this is where all the magic happens. So this really quickly just gives you an overview of kind of where your leads are, your opportunities, the value of those contracts, and that sort of thing. Then really the next thing, think about what you do now. Think about all the time you spend chasing leads. What if it did it for you? That's what this software does. It does all of the chasing for you. All you have to do is say, did they show up or did they not show up? So if they didn't show up, you put in a no-show, and then it's going to actually have an automation that's going to kind of follow up with them and try to reset another appointment. So also to keep you organized, all of your leads come into what we kind of call an opportunity pipeline. So you can see where people are at each step. So for example, these leads haven't booked a time. These have booked a time. These are people that are in a free week. So Subu CrossFit, these guys do a free week offer. So they just need to know, hey, okay, Nick, I need to make sure, okay, he's coming, he's booked to come in on Saturday. So let's make sure that we have a conversation with him about next steps and things like that, right? So it keeps you organized and helps you communicate. Speaking of communication, we have two-way communication via text and email all within this app. So gone are the days of using Google Voice numbers and, one guy's texting this person, but they're out today and they don't know who's communicated with them. All of that can be done. It's all centralized. You can do two-way communication. I can send a text right now to Mary and say hi. And it's basically going to send to her phone and she'll see that information, right? So same thing, the app on your phone will notify you and let you know when you have a new message. So it keeps you organized and helps you communicate much more easily. And then this is really where it comes down to is the automated systems that are going to help you generate more appointments with a whole lot less effort. So, you're going to have the autoresponder welcome series, texting and emailing, reminding them that they're coming. This helps you to really reestablish, hey, you have this appointment tomorrow for your first class or your first session, and they're going to probably reach out and say, hey, I forgot I have this thing. Can we do it next week? Sure, no problem. Reschedule them. And then if they miss, this reschedule automation will actually follow up with them. So in conclusion, the main benefits are it's going to increase your conversion rate. It's just going to help you book more appointments, which is really the hardest thing is getting people to say, hey, I want to come try your gym. I'll give you my information. The second thing is to get them actually to come into your gym. And that's the biggest thing that we can help with is help to book these appointments, follow up, help them keep the appointments so that you can do what you do best when they're in your gym. You give them that experience, right? It's going to save tons of time. We automate all the outbound. So all you're handling is sales appointments and any kind of objections or questions that they might have that are coming to you from this automation, this automated communication. And then finally, just predictability. This gives you the ability to kind of know where your leads are. They're all coming into one place. They're all being automatically followed up with. You've got your whole system built out, and it just works. So feel free to book a demo. We'd be happy to talk to you about your process and how we could merge that into this software and put your gym follow-up on autopilot.